So now let's see how we can work around with Blur, Sharpen and Smudge tool inside a Photopea. So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say I want to go around and blur out some parts of the image. In that case, I can go around onto the Blur tool section right here and then simply draw around right here, and you can see that I can go around and blur around sections of these different images right here, just like this. Just draw around, and this is what you have right here. You can just blur these sections out right here, over here in the image right here. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and utilize the sharpen tool right here to sharpen out different sections right here. Like let's say for example, just draw around and that part becomes more sharpened right here. Just go around and sharpen it, and you can see that it becomes more sharp right here. Apart from that, you can also go around and utilize the smudge tool, and that is you can go around and smudge out different parts right here, mix out the pixels right here to soften it out as well. Like you can go around and smudge this out right here so that they are together right here. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and smudge this out right here, smudge this, and you can see that this is how the smudge tool actually works. And that is how you can work around with Blur, Sharpen and Smudge tool inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.